Hey everybody, Notorious here. Welcome back to my channel. In this episode, we're going to discuss one of the most useful tools, I think, for setting lines in trees, the big shot. If you haven't heard about it, let me tell you all about it. Let's get right to it. So once you bought your big shot, it comes with this top part here. And this top part has two elastic bands, and it's called the horn because it looks like a horn, and it has a pouch at the bottom for your throw weight. And this thing can generate a lot of energy. Next, you need 8 feet worth of poles. So I have here two 4-foot poles, and you can also do, like 6 feet and 2 feet, but you need 8 feet in order to generate enough throw with this elastic band. So I'm going to take the horn and I'm going to open up this latch here, stick it in, and put it in. There we go. So we got the first part. Next, we're going to take our second pole, open it up, put it in, and there we go. All right, so I've got it completely assembled. All right, so you have your big shot ready to go, and the next step is to make sure that your throw line is not going to get tangled, because if you shoot this thing with a throw weight and there's a tangle, it's gonna mess up your whole day. It's gonna send the whole chunk of thing flying over into the tree. So you want to make sure that you flake your throw line if you haven't already, and then once you do that, you can connect your throw weight. The big shot manufacturers recommend a 10-ounce weight. I don't have a 10-ounce weight. I've been using a 12-ounce weight, but you can get a lot more distance with a 10-ounce, but I'll just demonstrate with this 12-ounce because it's not that much of a difference and I haven't had any problems with it. So the way this works is you want the horns to be facing this way, away from you, on the opposite side. And I gotta aim at something. There we go. So once you've done that, you can take your throw weight and put it into the pouch. And you want to do it with so that the throw line is sticking out like this, okay? That's how it's supposed to be. And there are cool inventions for this, like mechanical advantage systems for pulling this back, or you know, they even have one with a trigger, but I just have the original one. And what you do is you pull and you aim I got it. All right, so that's how a big shot works.